alligator snapping by the lake. B is for bear who loves a honey cake. C is for cat who purrs so sweet. D is for dog with 4 happy feet. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fox who likes to play. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat. H is for horse with galloping feet. I is for iguana, green and slow. J is for jaguar, ready to go. K is for kangaroo, jumps all day. L is for lion who loves to roar and play. M is for monkey, swinging high. N is for newt, who's small and shy. O is for owl, who hoots at night. P is for penguin, black and white. Q is for quail, quick on the ground. R is for rabbit, hopping around. S is for snake, who slithers low. T is for tiger with stripes that glow. U is for unicorn, a magical friend. V is for vulture on wings that bend. W is for whale, singing deep and long. X is for X-ray fish, see-through and strong.